Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to be unboxing Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet. This is the Best Buy exclusive steelbook in 4K, Blu-ray, and the digital code. This retails for $34.99 I believe at the moment. So yeah, let's get to opening it. I didn't see this movie in theaters, but I did see some of the clips, and they did look pretty funny. I know there was a scene where there's a Penelope goes into the room full of all the Disney princesses, and there's a couple of jokes on there that I thought were hilarious. But yeah, this steelbook is gonna be all glossy type finish. It's kind of shiny metallic as well. Here's the back of it. Let me get this glue out of the way. I haven't seen the movie, like I said, but I hope to watch it with my daughter. Here's the spine. Here are the discs. This is the 4K disc. Really neat colors. And then you have the Blu-ray. And the full artwork on the inside. This is the scene that I was talking about, guys. It just looks like very funny. And then we have the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.